official palace in Malaysia. This place was built in 2011, and then here the king, the main king stayed in here. And then I don't know if you can see the flag. If the flag is up, that means palace, the king is not here. If the flag is down, that means king is inside the palace now.
When it's up, then there's king, and when it's down.
Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. When the flag is up, it means king is inside. When flag is down, it means king is not here anymore. Not here. And then now the flag is up, that means king is here now.
And it's like the king wants to go out. You can see they're opening the gate.
Oh,
it's like the king is about to go out.
See the king.
Maybe.
Maybe the king is about to go out.
Let's see.
Everybody's coming
So-
out.
We can see even the garden.
This is the home of the king of Malaysia.